Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can use data validation in Google Sheets to save you time. So I've set up a little spreadsheet here that I'm going to use for keeping track of student learning objectives. I want to know basically if the student is meeting expectations, exceeding them, approaching, or just not quite yet. So I have set up data validation. It means it has this little drop-down menu here so I can add in quickly some information about each student. In my spreadsheet right here, I only have 4 students, but you might have all the way down to 36, however many students in your class. So to make this little drop-down menu, it's really quite simple. You highlight the row or the cells that you want the drop-down menu to appear in, and in this case, I want them to appear in both Goal 2 and Goal 3 columns, so I'm going to highlight both of those. You can also highlight the entire column like this, but it will appear up here. If that doesn't bother you, go ahead and do that. I'm just going to highlight these. Next, click on Data and then Validation. Once you get here, you'll see it's telling you what cells you chose. Those are the ones that you highlighted, and you can choose from the drop-down menu list of items. And here I'm going to type in exceeds expectations, meets, approaching, and not yet. Separated by a column, it even tells you, these are separated by a column here, and I click Save, and now I have this little neat drop-down menu, and I can easily record. You can put whatever you want here, so if you're keeping track of who has paid for something, if you're keeping track of if you've talked to a parent, you can keep track of all kinds of different things just by saving yourself time by not having to type each time the same thing. And that's how you use data validation to save you time.